Welcome to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at ASML Holding, the tech titan behind the world's most advanced semiconductor manufacturing systems. The stock saw a minor dip of 0.2% in Friday's trading with unusually low volume, but there's much more happening beneath the surface. Major analysts like Wells Fargo, JP Morgan, and Susquehanna have recently adjusted their price targets while maintaining strong ratings, and ASML just posted better than expected earnings with solid revenue and margins. On top of that, institutional investors have been quietly increasing their positions. So, is this a short-term slip or a hidden opportunity for long-term growth? Let's break down the full picture: stock performance, analyst sentiment, financial strength, and where ASML could be headed next. ASML experienced a minor decline of 0.2% in its share price during midday trading on Friday. The stock traded as low as $705.32 and ended the session at $706.40, slightly down from its previous closing price of $708.3. This modest movement came alongside an unusually low trading volume. Only 246,136 shares changed hands, marking an 85% drop from the company's average daily volume of 138,148 shares. The semiconductor giant has recently been the focus of several analyst reports, reflecting mixed sentiments within the investment community. Wells Fargo and Company revised its price target on ASML shares, lowering it from $860 to $840, but maintained an overweight rating in its April 17th note. On the same day, Susquehanna also reduced its target for the stock from $1,100 to $965, although the firm maintained a positive outlook. Meanwhile, DZ Bank took a more optimistic stance, upgrading ASML from a hold to a buy rating in a note dated January 30th. JP Morgan Chase & Co. echoed a somewhat cautious tone by adjusting its price target down to $1,100 from $1,148, but reaffirmed its overweight rating. In total, analysts tracking the stock remain generally positive. Out of 10 analysts, 2 rate the stock as a hold, while 7 give it a buy rating, and 1 suggests a strong buy. According to MarketBeat, the consensus recommendation is currently categorized as a moderate buy, with an average price target of approximately $906. ASML's current market capitalization stands at a robust $289.85 billion. The stock trades at a price-to-earnings (PE) ratio of 35.42 and has a price-to-earnings growth (PEG) ratio of 1.62. The beta of 1.75 indicates the stock is more volatile than the overall market. Looking at the company's balance sheet, ASML maintains a healthy financial position with a debt-to-equity ratio of just 0.20. Liquidity metrics are also solid, with a current ratio of 1.53 and a quick ratio of 0.99, suggesting the company is well-positioned to meet its short-term liabilities. The stock has been trending around a 50-day moving average of $679.19, while its 200-day moving average sits at $701.72, indicating some recent strength in the stock price over the medium term. ASML reported its latest quarterly earnings on Wednesday, April 16th, delivering results that outpaced analyst expectations. The company posted earnings per share, EPS, of $6.31, surpassing the consensus forecast of $6.1 by 0.19 cent. Revenue for the quarter also beat estimates, coming in at $8.77 billion compared to the projected $7.90 billion. Profitability remains strong, with ASML boasting a return on equity (ROE) of 47.73% and a net profit margin of 26.78%. Analysts expect the company to achieve an EPS of approximately 25.17 for the full fiscal year. Several institutional investors have recently adjusted their positions in ASML, indicating growing interest in the semiconductor equipment manufacturer. For example, Kennebec Savings Bank increased its holdings by 227.3% during Q4, now owning 36 shares valued at $26,000. Putney Financial Group LLC acquired 38 shares in Q1, up 322.2% from their previous position. Banque Continentale Vaudoise also initiated a new stake in the first quarter, worth $27,000. Other notable activity includes Wellington Shields & Co. LLC boosting its holdings by 740% in Q4, now owning 42 shares valued at $29,000. Halbert Hargrove Global Advisors LLC also entered a new position, valued at about $31,000. Overall, institutional investors collectively hold about 26.7% of ASML's outstanding shares. ASML Holding NV is a global leader in semiconductor equipment. The company designs, manufactures, and services advanced lithography systems used in the production of integrated circuits. Their offerings include extreme ultraviolet (EUV) and deep ultraviolet (DUV) lithography systems, along with complementary metrology and inspection tools. These technologies are critical for chipmakers worldwide, enabling the development of cutting-edge semiconductor nodes and device architectures. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. Stay tuned for more insights, and as always, keep investing wisely. See you in the next video.